Disruption. It is such an important topic that we partnered with the Institute of Management Development in Switzerland. We actually studied across all industries. It turns out retail is the third most likely industry to be disrupted, right behind media and entertainment, and yours truly, IT. True game-changing activities in companies use three components. They change the cost-value model of the service, they change the customer experience, and they change the platform. And these three things mean very different things than they used to. Not just a lower cost, but a different cost, a different consumption model, a different way cost is derived or value is derived, a different experience, which puts the power back into the consumer's hand to create that experience. Over $500 billion in real value to be created for retail over the next 3 years. This is the digital transformation roadmap for retail, created by Cisco and partners and experts in all of our architectures. And what I want you to think about is wherever your focus is, security, customer experience, workforce, whatever it is, you want to move from left to right as you digitally transform things like point of sale, fixed register. Digitally enabling that might mean just making mobile POS. It might mean self-checkout on the customer's device. That's digitally enabling something you already do. Lots of examples. You're not changing the world, haven't disrupted anything. But the reason this is an important phase, inherently things in this phase are reducing cost or increasing efficiency. And as you reduce cost, that money gets fueled into the next phase, which is now truly using digital technologies to differentiate yourselves. So now that mobile POS, as that example, that associates can go into the aisle. They can, of course, check out and do the transaction in the aisle. They can also look up things, ship things, find things, match things, get a consultant, right? A lot of value can be created that is truly differentiating. All the way over to the last column, which is where you redefine your business models. This is where true disruption happens. So you take that same digital investment, operationally efficient, then you're differentiating, now you're disrupting. This is where the IoT conversation comes in. Our retailers come to us all the time, starting at the conversation at the top. They say, I need to differentiate in my customer experience. So I know I need innovation. CDW, Cisco, what do you have? We can't just differentiate by throwing technology at it. To get the right innovation, we need insights. We need to know what's going to work for your customer segment, for that geography, for that marketplace, millennial, Gen Y, whatever it is. And to get those insights, we need data. And to get data, we need to connect stuff.